In this video, you'll learn how to create a website using Webflow AI. By following these steps, you will be able to set up a website efficiently with the assistance of artificial intelligence. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard. Open your web browser and enter the Webflow URL to access the platform. Once the page loads, you should see your workspace and any existing projects listed on the screen. Next, look for the button labeled New Site prominently displayed on the dashboard. Click on this button to initiate the process of creating a new website. After clicking, a new screen will appear, providing options for site creation. Once this appears, locate the option that says AI Site Builder and click on it. This feature will utilize AI to assist you in building your site. After selecting this, you will be directed to the site description page. At this point, you will see a prompt that says, describe your site. Click on this field to enter a description of your website. For instance, you could type in create a landing page to specify the type of website you wish to build. After typing your description, press the enter key on your keyboard. This action will confirm your input and prompt the AI to start processing your request for a new site. Following this, look for the option labeled structure your site and click on it. This step allows you to outline the main sections and layout of your website. You should see a visual representation of your site structure once this step is complete. Next, click on the button that says Generate Site. This action will initiate the AI's generation of your website based on the description and structure you've provided. A loading indicator may appear during this process, indicating that the AI is working. Once the generation is complete, a message will appear that says Generate More Themes. This indicates that the AI has successfully created a website based on your specifications, and you can explore additional design themes if desired. Afterwards, you will see a message prompting you to customize your design. Click on this option to refine the aesthetics of your website, allowing you to adjust colors, fonts, and other design elements. You will then encounter another message that says customize your sections. Clicking this will enable you to modify each section of your site individually, tailoring content to fit your needs. Next, look for the message, generate a layout, and click on it. This action will finalize the layout of your website, ensuring that everything is organized as per your specifications. After that, a message saying preparing sites will appear, indicating that the AI is setting up your website for you. This may take a moment depending on the complexity of your site. Once the preparation is complete, you will see a message that says creating sections. This step involves the AI populating your website with the structure you defined earlier. Next, a message indicating drafting content will appear. This means that the AI is generating the text and other content elements for your site based on your description. Following this, you will see a message saying finalizing pages. This stage indicates that the AI is wrapping up the website creation process, ensuring everything is in place. Finally, you will see a message prompting you to wait for it to finish generating. This is the last step before your website is fully operational, so be patient as the AI completes the final touches. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.